Today we are working on the first lesson in lesson 3, which is entitled Customizing Global Settings. Today we are going to change some things on the quick access toolbar and stuff on the ribbon. So this is your ribbon up here at the top. Quick access toolbar is this right up here. So step 1, we have a new blank document. So it says click on the quick access toolbar. So we're going to click right here, and this customized quick access toolbar comes up. Then we're going to click new, and you can see that it added this. So instead of having to click file and then new, you could just click up here and it's something that would be there. Then click the step 2, click the customized quick access toolbar and click quick print. So it added that there as well. Step 3 says click customize quick access toolbar, and then click more commands. So scroll down here to the bottom, click more commands. In the list box on the right, click new file, and then we want to move it up between to where it's right above save and autosave. So that's where it should be, and then click OK. And you can see that it put that right here. So it shows the new blank document at the left side between the autosave indicator and the save button. So it's right there where it should be. Click the customize quick access toolbar. Click quick print. That's going to remove that. So it just shows you how to remove things. Click the quick access toolbar again. Click new. We are removing the new from there as well, so it's back to what it was before we started. Alright, so mark this as answered and go to the second one. In the blank document, click File. So we'll click File, click Options down here at the bottom left, and then click Customize Quick or Customize Ribbon tab. Ensure that Main tabs is displayed in the Customize Ribbon field. So over here where it says mine is on main tabs. If yours isn't, that's what you would click to get to main tabs. Then in the list box, click the plus at the left of the insert tab. So click right here in this. Click the add-ins group name to select it. So you see it's highlighted. Click the remove button to remove this command group from the insert tab. So we're clicking remove, and it says you have not deleted the group permanently but turned it off in its display in the ribbon. Scroll down the list and deselect the design checkbox. So there's design, we're just going to uncheck that. Deselecting the checkbox prevents this ribbon tab from displaying. Click OK to exit the Word Options dialog box. Notice the Design tab no longer displays up here. Click the Insert tab. Used to, right in this area, you had an add-ins, and that's no longer there because we took it out of the ribbon. So it's no longer there. Alright, so we can mark this as answered. So we're going to redisplay the things that we just hid. So click File, and then Options. Click Customize Ribbon. Click the Choose Commands arrow from the main tabs. So right here, we want to change this to main tabs. In the list box on the left, click the plus at the left of the Insert tab. Insert. Click Add-ins Group Name, like we did before. Should be highlighted. Click the ensure the Insert tab is selected in the list box. So this should be still selected over here. So click Add-ins, and then click Add. And you see the add-ins is now back in there. It's placed at the bottom. In the list box on the right, click Add-ins, and then click the Move Up button to move it in the list until it is positioned just below the illustrations group. So we're moving that add-ins up to where it's just below the illustrations. That's where it should be. Scroll down the list box on the right and select the design checkbox. We're going to check that, put that back in there. It will now display in the ribbon tab. Hint, you could also have clicked reset to have Word reset all ribbon tabs to their default. Right here we could have done that. Alright, click OK. And you can see we now have a design tab back up here. Here's your add-ins that we removed before on the insert tab. Go to step 4, set a default font. So open the Using Drive P document in your Resources folder. So we're going to click File and then Open. Go to wherever your stuff is, your Jasper Active files, using Drive P. This is what should be opened up. Press Control D. Control D opens up the font dialog box. We could have also selected the little square right here in the font group. In the list of fonts, click Arial. So we need to scroll down a little bit till we get to Arial. Click on that. And then click Set as Default. Set as Default. And then click All Documents Based on the Normal Template. All Documents Based on the Normal Template. And then click OK. The body text in the document now displays in Arial font. So you can click in the body of it and you see that it is now in Arial font. Press Control D once again to open up the dialog box. Change the size to 10. Size should be 10 now. Click Set as Default. Click All Documents Based on the Normal Template. And then click OK. You can see that it changed the font size to 10. So now we're going to create a new document. So click File and then New, blank document. And we're going to type using the X drive, and press Enter. And you notice that that font is Arial 10. Alright, so we can mark that as answered. Go to step 5. Click in the line of text you just entered. So just click somewhere in that line. Then on the Home tab in the Font group, click the Font dialog box launcher. So we've opened that. Change the font to Calibri. Calibri. Change the size to a lemon. Then click Set as Default. Click All Documents Based on the Normal Template. And then click OK. And you'll notice that the font is now changed to the new, what we just put in. So mark that as answered. And let's submit it, and hopefully we will have five green check marks. And we do. So if you followed along with me and got everything correct, you're good to go. If you missed anything, you can, as usual, go back and fix the things that you missed. And this completes customizing global settings.